Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial on generating broadsheets. A broadsheet is a comprehensive academic document that displays statistical performance data for all students across subjects within a class. This essential report provides administrators and teachers with a complete overview of class performance, subject rankings, and individual student achievements. Prerequisites. Before generating a broadsheet, ensure that all student results have been entered into the system for the selected term and subjects. The broadsheet compiles existing result data, so incomplete entries will affect the accuracy of your report. Step 1. Administrator access. Start by logging into your Fantaskool administrator account through the landing page to access your main dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Reports section. From the main navigation, locate and click on the Reports button. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various reporting options. Step 3. Access broadsheet generation. From the drop-down menu, select Broadsheet to open the broadsheet generation interface. Step 4. Configure broadsheet parameters. In the new interface, you'll need to specify the scope of your broadsheet by selecting Academic Year. Choose the relevant academic session term. Select the specific term, first term, second term, or third term. Class. Pick the grade level for which you need the broadsheet section. Choose the specific section if your school has multiple sections per class. Step 5. Generate the broadsheet. After configuring all parameters, click the Generate Broadsheet button. The system will compile all relevant student results and performance statistics for the selected criteria. Step 6. Download your report. Once generated, you can download the broadsheet in your preferred format. PDF. Format. Ideal for printing and official documentation. Excel format. Perfect for further data analysis and manipulation. What the broadsheet contains. Your generated broadsheet will include individual student performance across all subjects, class averages and statistics, subject-wise performance analysis, student rankings and positions, overall class performance metrics, grade distributions and pass rates. Best practices. To maximize the effectiveness of your broadsheets, ensure all results are entered and verified before generation. Generate broadsheets regularly for consistent performance tracking. Use Excel format when you need to perform additional calculations. Use PDF format for official records and presentations. Review the data for any anomalies before sharing with stakeholders. Use cases. Broadsheets are valuable for parent-teacher conferences and meetings, academic board presentations, performance analysis and improvement planning, official school documentation, comparative analysis between terms or classes. Fantaskool's broadsheet generation feature transforms raw academic data into comprehensive professional reports that support informed decision-making and transparent communication of student performance across your institution.